Well, Tumelo, it was a short, day in court, given that the defense had yesterday requested for the mapping out of the route that police had followed on specific days. So these days relate to the escorting of both accused number 1 and 2 when they were being escorted by the police during their confessions and also during the pointings out that accused number 1 had done. So what we've heard in court is a report that shows the movements of the police and the times that the police had been traveling on the road, when exactly they'd arrived at a specific point. But what the defense is now asking for is the mapping out of that particular route, the coordinates that were mapped out when these travels had happened. And this is just to try and pinpoint some of the locations that they had gone to on those specific days. So recall, Dumelo, that the defense is contending that there were assaults and torture that had taken place on numerous of these days just before those confessions were made. So they want to see exactly where the car had stopped in terms of coordinates, just to be able to pinpoint those particular routes. So they have asked to put their cross-examination of Sergeant Vusimuzi Mokhane, who of course was traveling or driving one of the vehicles, the Toyota Fortuner, that escorted both the accused, and they say they will await that particular report to be led in court, and then after that only will they then want to resume with their cross-examination. So they've asked for time for the cross-examination of Sergeant Vusimuzi Mokhane to essentially be adjourned for now up until that report has been presented.